Hello, and welcome to my Project 2 revision. So, just to give you a quick rundown for my Project 2, I chose to build a desk that I got off Amazon. Here is the description of the desk, just in case you see this and, you also want the same one. One thing that's really cool about this desk is it has this nice storage space underneath, which offers a place to put like your notebooks and your pencils and things like that when you aren't using them and such. But for my revision, I was suggested to make sure I synced it with the steps and also adding some text in there to show, all the things that I'm doing. So, as you can see here, I will show you a brief clip. This is going to be the first part.
Word instructions, so that is where I'm stepping in. And as you can see, we'll be following this, the slots that they are made for. So we're going to place the screws into the slots that they are made for. So here we are, we're just going to place these in there. It was kind of hard for me
So as you can see here, it was actually, I believe it's right before this time here. This clip, it has no steps, no instructions, and then here in the revised part of it, I have added step 1. I have also added a few in other places as well. I'm just going to go through the video to give you kind of a quick rundown of another few examples of places where I have also added. I have added this all done here. Here we have the time to stand, something else that's just a little bit more engaging with my audience. But overall, I feel like after I have added these sections into my video, I feel like it gives the audience a little bit more gauge into where we are in the project, as well as exactly what step we're on, just in case they need a step-by-step follow-through.